Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning into my 2351st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. So, let me just remind you right away, risky game, risky game, risky game. If you get this wrong, you could have your head handed to you. Always put your stops in first. Never trade without them, and know that futures and or options are even more risky, especially without stops. All right, traders, so imagine this. How cool is it to have an OMNI? Our OMNI told us for Tuesday night into Wednesday, we could get short the S&P. We could stay short the S&P until we hit a specific level, so we sold it right about here. And then it said we can stay short until we hit a specific level, so we got out right about there. We literally took a short trade right there, wrote it down, made, I don't know, 12, 1300 per contract, and got out of the market's way, just like OMNI asked us to do. Then later in the day, the Fed came out, and look at that bar that populated. But we were short, we were out, we were flat with money, and then, like we were supposed to, we sidestepped, and boom, look at that daily bar. So what does that tell us? That tells us that no matter what we looked at last night, today as day traders, we will look at this. We will revert back to the E-mini daily ES bar chart and back to this average where it just tends to work like magic. Look here, right? Another hole, just like the first one. Now, look at this. Boom, another hole. Now look what happens here. It can't get above, right? It breaks first, can't get above, smack down. Here it finally gets above, but look what happens here. Can't get above, smack down. Here it finally gets above. Look at the rally that ensues. All the way back down, messed around with it a little, held back up. Came back down as of Fed Day, Wednesday, and held and went up. So, hey, I'm game. I'm a day trader. I don't have to sit on any opinions ever, which is why I love day trading. And we have a green OMNI for trading on 12/16. And just the way we hit and ran, great OMNI on Wednesday, we hope to do the same thing on Thursday. I hope you join me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com, and I'll show you how the OMNI makes these great calls, how it has profit objectives, which is how we get out of trouble on a day like today, because we got in a trade, dropped to a profit objective, which was predetermined, got out of the trade, and canceled our stops. Boom. As a Wall Street professional is supposed to do. Now, I give out these same very trading recommendations that I'm using each day and my other OMNI actually using. Just come to livewithoscar.com and join the Platinum service. We send it out through Discord, we send you a Telegram, we send you an email, we send you a text. It shows up live on the site. I mean, you can't ask for more. So, if you need help trading and you don't know where to get in and out, join my Platinum service. If you don't need help trading, but you just want to hang out in the trading room, just hang out in my live room with me. No credit cards are required. Come on, hang out with me, all right? Have a great day trading. Good luck. We're going to buy a seriously deep dip, if we can get one, in the E-mini S&P, or we will not trade at all. That's for trading on 12/16/2021. Remember, traders, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in. Put those stops in first. Good luck trading, and I will see you all at